You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing names that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It means gift from Hebrew, originally short also for Jessica. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Jessie. J, E sound, Jessie. Stress on the first syllable, not Jesse, Jessie. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Jessie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.